Hello students, in previous part we were discussing there were some scientists who show the different evidences of evolution. In previous part we have already discussed about Lamarckianism, means inheritance of acquired traits. The next evidence of evolution was proposed by Darwin, natural selection. Natural selection. This natural selection evidence of evolution was proposed by Charles Robert Darwin. He postulates some laws in its evidence of evolutions. The first postulate was population increasing at very fast rate, or you can say that the population of the organism in the nature is increasing very geometric growth. This is the geometric growth. For example, a bacterial cell which can divide only in 20 minutes to produce new offsprings. Just like as paramecium, the cell of paramecium is divided within 24 hours. So rapidly increasing population, which is the major cause of the natural selection. These are the causes, the 7 causes which were proposed by Charles Robert Darwin. The first was population increasing very fast rate, or you can say that population increasing at the geometric growth rate. Geometric means exponential. मतलब fast rate से suppose to one organism to 2 to 4, 4 to 6, मतलब 2 to 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. That is a very vigorously rate, fast rate. Such like as a bacterial cell divided into 20 minutes into 2 daughter cell, and paramecium within 24 hours. The second one is limited. This is the unlimited. Population increasing, unlimited. This is limited space and food resources. As the population increasing very fast rate, but the food resources and space are not so increasing just like as the growing population rate. This is the arithmetic growth. It means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 means 2 to 4, 4 to 6 and 6 to 8. The space and food resources are not so increasing as the population rate is increasing. This is the cause. And third one is survival. Survival condition जो है means how the organism can be survive in extensive अपने surrounding area में किस प्रकार से survive कर सके. Survival conditions. Survival condition between the two organisms which belongs to the same species for food and habitat, two organisms with different species for food and as well as environment. That depend on survival conditions means interspecific evolution. It means two organisms which are the same species, they compete with each other for the space as well as food resources. Second one is intraspecific evolution. Two organisms of different species, they also compete with each other for the food. That is intraspecific evolution. And the third one is environmental condition. what is the environmental conditions such like as climate, temperature, that is also the cause of the natural selection. Clear? Then fourth one law postulated by the Darwin was variation. Two offspring produced from single parents and they have differences. This difference is called variation, and variation always occur due to the not complete copy of DNA. Variation may occur due to not complete copy of DNA. So according to Darwin, there is two types of variation. One is continuous variation and the second one is discontinuous variation. Continuous variation. Continuous variation is at always occurred at slow rate, and that is very essential for evolution. Second types of variation is discontinuous variation. The discontinuation variation is occurred at a large scale and which is called mutation. Continuous variation may occur at slow rate, whereas discontinuous variation high rate, and this may cause mutation. The fifth law or postulate which was proposed by Darwin was natural selection. Natural selection means the organism which are able to survive in this condition, means they are success in the increasing population rate, in food struggle, habitat as well as survival condition and variation. Those fit organisms are selected by the nature. Fittest organism selected by nature, which provide the survival conditions and they are able to reproduce, or they can able to produce their healthier young ones. The fittest organism which is selected by nature. The sixth one is inheritance of, ये जो healthier offspring produce करने की ability है, इस traits को, इस characters को inheritance किया जाता है. Inheritance the characters means the organism which are fit in the nature and selected by nature, those traits can be transferred from one generation to next generation. This is called inheritance the characters by the nature. And the seventh one was, if the new characters are transferred from one generation to next generation, which may cause new species, and that new species, formation of new species known as speciation. Speciation means formation of new species. These laws were proposed by Charles Robert Darwin. The third evidence of the evolution was mutation. Third evidence of evolution, that is mutation. Mutation, sudden change in DNA. Thus, the new offspring is different, fully different from its parental. Sudden change in DNA. Thus, the offspring is fully different, or you can say that at large scale different from its parental body. To propose this type of mutation, the Hugo de Veris. It was proposed by Hugo de Veris. To propose his mutation law, Hugo de Veris selected some plants of evening primrose. Evening primrose. The scientific name of evening primrose is Oenothera lamarckiana. Lamarckiana. He selected some plants of evening primrose. Some plants. Then, after the self-pollination, in these plants, he selected some evening primrose plants. In these some plants, after self-pollination, in a new generation, there were some differences can be occurred. The majority of the plants which are produced after the self-pollination are just similar to their parents. Majority of the plants similar to their parental. But a few, there are some other plants which has the higher variation can take place. You can see that a few which have higher variation. लो लेवल पे वेरिएशन थी, मतलब कुछ ऐसे मैक्सिमम ऐसे प्लांट प्रोड्यूस हुए जिनके सिमिलरिटी, जिनके कैरेक्टर्स जो हैं सिमिलर टू देयर पेरेंट. But a few are produced after the self-pollination, which is different from its parental plant. Those may contain variation. After that, he again self-pollinated these plants. Self-pollination. Self-pollination again, two varieties or two different characters are produced in the next generation. Majority of plants was just resembled or similar to their parental. इनमें भी मेजोरिटी उन्हीं प्लांट की ज्यादा जो अपने पेरेंट के समान थी. इसका मतलब इसमें वेरिएशन लो लेवल पे थी. लेकिन यहाँ पर भी फ्यू है प्लांट्स ऐसे प्रोड्यूस, फ्यू प्लांट्स which contain minor variation, major variation, not minor, major variation. मैक्सिमम प्लांट प्रोड्यूस में माइनर वेरिएशन थी, इसमें मेजोरिटी ऑफ प्लांट्स थी लेकिन वेरिएशन माइनर. जस्ट लाइक एज इन मेजोरिटी ऑफ these plant the minor variation, और इसके अंदर हायर वैल्यू मीन्स मेजर वेरिएशन थी. After that he saw that the plants which are few which contain the high major variations on the basis of the color, size and location of the flowers. The major variations in the small plants, in a few plants of primrose, their differences was the color of flower, the size of flower, location of flower. As we know that in evening primrose there are 14 chromosomes. 14 chromosomes. In diploid plant of evening primrose there were 14 chromosomes. But after the self-pollination, the few plants which has major variation, they may be contain different number of chromosomes, that may be 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 28 or 30. The number of chromosomes which were fully different from its parental plants, they may be contain the number of chromosomes more than 14, 16, 20, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 28 and 30 chromosomes. So On basis of these variation, Hugo de Vries show that the animals and the plants are fully different, maybe if they sexually or asexually reproduce. This variation at a large scale is called mutation. And the last evidence of evolution is known as neo-Darwinism, synthetic theory of evolution, as well as modern theory of evolution. Fourth one is neo-Darwinism. This is also known as modern theory of evolution, synthetic theory of evolution. This neo-Darwinism theory of evolution contains the four basic causes. First one is mutation. Next one is recombinant. Third one is hybridization. And fourth one is genetic drift. Genetic drift. In neo-Darwinism, modern theory of evolution, as well as synthetic theory, there were four causes. First one is mutation. What is mutation? Sudden change in DNA. Sudden change in DNA. That is called mutation. This mutation may be occurred two types. Chromosomal mutation and genetic mutation. Genetic mutation, you also can say that gene mutation. First we write the recombinant, just above recombinant. Chromosomal mutation means the number of chromosome may be addition or deletion. This chromosomal mutation is also two types. Morphological mutation, as well as second one is numeric mutation. Morphology or morphological mutation and numeric mutation. Morphological mutation, it means it is based on the external structure of the animals or as well as plant. Morphological mutation may be caused due to addition of chromosome, deletion of chromosome, and translocation of chromosome. Translocation of chromosomes. Morphological mutation, that is belongs to the chromosomal mutation. This may be occurred due to the addition of chromosome and extra chromosome addition, deletion, as well as translocation means change its site. This is called morphological mutation. About the mutation, we will study about the principles and laws of inheritance in chapter number 5th in Mendel's effect, and only abbreviations or briefly we can show that this type of mutation. The second one is numeric mutation. Numeric means number of chromosome mutations. On the basis of deletion or addition, number of chromosome, there is two types: aneuploidy and euploidy. Aneuploidy means plus minus 1 or 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 means number of chromosome addition, deletion. Plus minus 1 or 2 number of chromosome. And euploidy means only one set of chromosomes may be deleted or addition. Set of chromosomes. And this set of chromosomes belongs to haploid. If the addition or deletion of one set of chromosomes, that process is called euploidy. If one or two chromosome addition, deletion, that is called aneuploidy, which cause the different type of phenomena such as monosomy, the trisomy, tetrasomy, that we will study in the 5th chapter, molecular base, inheritance laws and principle of inheritance. The second one is recombinant. Recombinant, it means formation of new offerings. The new offspring produced which are the differences from its parental, that is called recombinant. In meiosis division we have seen that homologous chromosomes in sister chromatin during the crossing process, overcrossing, during the overcrossing, change the genetic material. Exchange the genetic material, not change, exchange the genetic material. Exchange the genetic material. We have studied in +1 class, such like as this one. So during the meiosis division, violent when breakdown, when the homologous chromatin, sister chromatin may be separated from each other, during the separation of violent, they exchange their genetic material and the new offspring that is produced different from its parental, that is called recombinant, means new characters. New characters are formed in the new generation. And third one is hybridization. Hybridization means two offspring, two organisms which belongs to interspecific or intraspecific. If the two organisms belongs to the same species or the other species, they are crossed with each other, that the offspring will be produced hybrid, and that is called hybridization. It is the crossing process in which two organisms belongs to same species, such like as Sahiwal with a brown Swiss ox. Sahiwal cow with a brown Swiss ox. Same cow, same species or other species. For example, a female horse crossed with a male donkey, that may produce a mule. A mule is different from the parental, so that is the hybrid. And the new species, or you can say that the offspring is different from the parental body, that is called hybrid. And this process is known as hybridization. And the last one is genetic drift. Genetic drift means elimination of the gene or alleles in a population. Elimination of genes, or you can say that alleles in a population. किसी भी पॉपुलेशन से उसके जीन या एलील जो हैं वो एलिमिनेट हो जाते हैं ड्यू टू टेम्परेचर, मीन्स एक्सटर्नल कंडीशंस, पैंडेमिक कंडीशंस, such the organism is different produced from its parental, that is called genetic drift. One word, allele. Before allele we have to read about genes. जीन्स आर द सेगमेंट्स ऑफ डीएनए. डीएनए के छोटे छोटे फ्रेगमेंट जो होते हैं, सेगमेंट्स जो होते हैं, उनको क्या बोलते हैं? जीन्स बोलते हैं. और जीन ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट इन, ऑलवेज जीन्स ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट इन पेयर, gene always present in pair, paired gene are known as, paired genes are known as alleles. But a few examples such like as human being blood group, ABO blood group. In ABO blood group the genes are present more than 2. So in that conditions, if the genes are present more than 2 means more than pair, that is called multiple allelism. Multiple allelism. What is multiple allelism? If the genes are present more than 2, that condition is called multiple allelism, and the example of multiple allelism is ABO blood group. Clear? So these are the 4 scientists who propose the different evidences of evolution: Darwin's and Lamarck, inheritance of acquired characters, and second Darwin, natural selection, mutation, Hugo de Veris. Next one is neo-Darwinism, that is also known as modern theory of evolution or synthetic theory. Clear? In next part we will discuss on the Darwin's natural selection, how does organism can be adapt themselves in different conditions.